Hi everyone. Today we are going to see about types of machine learning. These are the five types of machine learnings, and first one is supervised machine learning. In the name itself, you can understand that there is something going to supervise. In these types of machine learning, we give the both input and output to the model. The model will learn the relationships and pattern in the data and make the predictions. For example, it will take one input and make the prediction. If the output is mismatches to its input, to its respective output, and it will adjust some parameters. In that case, the given output by, in the data set are going to supervise the model. That's why it's called as supervised machine learning. And second one is unsupervised machine learning, and the name itself you can understand that in this type of machine learning give the out we don't give the output to the model. We only give the inputs to the model. It's usually do the tasks like clustering the data and segregating the data. And third one is reinforcement learning. The reinforcement learnings are works with a kind of goal related, not in a predictions like that. It has an it's kind of quite broader term, broader field, because it has an agent environments and reward systems, some etc. And it works on morely goal related, not in a predictions like in a supervised or unsupervised. And fourth one is semi-supervised learning. Again, the name itself you can understand that it contains the both labeled both input and output some data, and some data may not contains the output for the respective input. That's why it's called a semi-supervised. And the model will learn by first supervised data and use that knowledge to segregate the other non-labeled data. And third one is transfer learning. And transfer learning is used to share the knowledge of a model to the others or other similar tasks. And I really like the transfer learning. And that's it about types of machine learning. Let's see on the next video.